saying I'm back again with another video. Literally, let me do that again. What's up, sis? It's your girl saying I'm back again with another try on haul / review video. Okay, I almost got that mixed up, but we won't tell anybody. We'll keep that to ourselves. Okay, so brand in question today, Analuisa. Let's talk about her. First of all, like, let me just give y'all another close-up. Because how cute, like how cute are these? They're just so cute. They just give me, you know, very much girl at the DMV getting her license. They're just giving me everyday girl. You guys literally have to see how many earrings that they have on their website. So many to pick from, like, and the fact that there's so many to pick from, they're all so cute. It's hard to pick just one earring off the website or a piece of jewelry because it's like so many, and then the so many that they have are really cute. So you end up purchasing like 10 pieces instead of just the 3 you were looking for the occasion, and then you added a couple more to your cart. That's literally, I'm telling on myself. Okay, let's get back on topic. Now these I can see myself wearing every day because they're just super simple, cute, gives a statement. I think it just sets the tone for an outfit. It's like, I'm not a really big hoops girl, so these hoops are like just enough. They're bigger than the hoops that I normally wear. So yeah, I like these. I like this size. They're super cute. You can actually take the loop off. You can wear like 2 loops on one side, kind of interchange them, alternate them, however you like. But yeah, I like these. These are super cute. I feel like I would wear these with, like, if I was going like out to dinner, an event. Okay, so let's talk about these pieces. So Analuisa jewelry, all of the jewelry that they have, very sustainable, hypoallergenic. So if you have sensitive skin, these won't break your ears out, and they're water resistant, so they won't turn or anything like that. And so the cool thing is they use 100% recycled gold and silver for their earrings. So you're literally saving the freaking planet and looking good doing it. Okay. So Analuisa has a 2-year warranty on their pieces. So of course, if something happens to them within the first 2 years, you can get them replaced. Like, what? Sign me up. Okay, you guys, so if you are ready to elevate your jewelry collection and just start building on like your accessories and your pieces like that, I will put the link in the description for you guys to shop, and along with a discount code. Of course, you know I got you. I had to get you a discount. So use my discount code when you shop. Save some money and save the planet, girl. Save some money and save the planet at the same time. So let me know in the comments, you guys, which Analuisa piece was your favorite. The small gold hoops. I'm gonna say the small gold hoops for me will be my favorite, but let me know in the comments which ones are your favorite so we can chat about it. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be a part of the Say Squad, so every time I drop these new pieces on y'all, you guys see them and can snag these discount codes, because like I said, we love free shipping and a good discount. So I'll see y'all in the next try on haul / review video.